This is what we call the pitted boulder. It is a large boulder of pink granite, which is not native or indigenous to this area. And we do know it is important because at other Oneota sites, there are other pitted boulders. They're always pink granite, and there's always pits on all sides that you can see, but there is not a real good explanation as to how the boulder got its pits. It's mostly speculation because there hasn't been any written record passed down. Some of the theories are that it could be a birth or a death record, a pit for each one. Another is that because it was not a rock they found here normally, and it became a sacred rock, so they would meditate or go for a vision quest at the sacred rock and beat on it with wailing sticks while they prayed. Another theory is that it was medicinal. The very top layer of pink granite is kaolin, which is used in a product we use today, which is kaopectate. So they could have used it for medicine. Another theory is that hot coals were taken and pictures were burned in. We've had specialists out here. We had 2 women from London who came, and they saw faces in it. Some people see a turtle, others see a lizard. So there are many different theories as to how the boulder got its pits. You can pick whichever one you think is the best and go with that. As far as we know, it's just a very special rock to that culture because they are found in several different Oneota sites.